watch me like at fan so that people can see me make it. So exterior VR. This video is to you. Yeah, but like, oh, I did it. Yeah, without Tagger, exterior VR, without Tagger. No. I'll just watch you on target. Then wanna get target with me? Yeah, so guys, I. Oh, I'm coming. Hi. Hi. Ray gun. Yo. Look at us. Well, I have fire. Let's melt the ice. Zap it. Freeze ray. This is the freeze ray. I actually got a new fit from last video because yeah, let's go. Oh, I haven't been outside of mountain. Oh my, why is it raining? Oh wait, guys, this was the daily tea like a few. This was the daily tea like a few days ago. And this hat, you could just go get it over there. So guys, if you have any of these cosmetics, you could like fake being Mr. Bob's VR. And this is my fit. I got the none of these stuff. This stuff is in the shop. I got the fire. I got the ray gun GT3 badge. I got the rosy cheeks and the beanie. Gonna loose your wing. Oh wait, guys, do you want to see my OG fit? Does there is gonna be a plushie. Alright, so guys, do you want to see my OG fit? Alright, hold on, don't come out of there yet. Alright, I have my OG fit on. Come out. I'm gonna be behind mirror. I'm gonna be behind mirror, so just tell me when you're in front of mirror. Here we go, guys. Here is my OG fit. Yeah. No, this was my color code. This was my color code was this. Yeah. Do you guys want to know my color code? My color code. Well, the OG, this OG color code Don't impersonate me. 509. 509. Don't impersonate me. You don't even have the right stuff. And Sebastian's color code is his Sebastian's color code is 333. His color code is 666. Weird number.